How to record slow-motion videos on your iPhone. The built-in Slo-Mo camera mode lets you capture smooth, slow-motion footage in just a few taps. Here's how to use it. First, open the camera app on your iPhone. If you only see photo or video mode, simply swipe through the camera modes until you find Slo-Mo. Once you're in Slo-Mo mode, you're ready to start recording. You can switch between the available zoom options depending on your iPhone model. Before recording, you can also choose your preferred frame rate, such as 120 FPS or 240 FPS for different slow motion effects. But this option does not show on my device. You can do it. Now tap the record button to start recording your slow motion video. When you're finished, tap the stop button. To view your recording, open the Photos app and select the video you just captured. Your iPhone will automatically apply the slow motion effect, and you can even edit which part of the video plays in slow motion. And that's how to record slow motion videos on iPhone using Slo-Mo mode. If this tutorial helped, be sure to subscribe for more iPhone camera tips, iOS tutorials, and tech how-to guides.